Hey camera lovers! Today we're checking out the best compact cameras of 2026, from premium point-and-shoots to travel beasts and mirrorless powerhouses. If you want great image quality without lugging around a big rig, you're gonna love this. Let's go! Let's kick things off with the Leica Q3. And yeah, this one's an open box deal, which means you get that legendary Leica build and performance without full retail price, if you score it right. This camera feels luxurious and precision-made the moment you pick it up. With its fast lens, rich colors, and super clean image quality, it's a dream for street photography, portraits, and everyday shooting. The sensor and lens combo give you sharp details and beautiful depth, even in low light. People who shoot with it often say it feels like an extension of their eye. Everything feels intuitive and satisfying. The menus are smooth, the autofocus is quick, and the results? Chef's kiss. If you want premium capture in a pocketable body, this one's tough to beat. Check the description for the link to grab one. Now let's talk about a crowd favorite, the Sony RX100 VII. This little powerhouse packs a 1.0 type stack CMOS sensor, which means outstanding image quality and super fast performance right out of your pocket. It's great for travel, vloggers, and everyday use because the autofocus is snappy, the zoom range is solid, and video quality is legit. Think 4K without overheating and smooth tracking. People love how this camera just gets the shot without fussing with settings. Point, frame, and boom, perfect image. It's small enough to carry everywhere, but doesn't sacrifice control or power. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or quick action snapshots, this one's a serious all-arounder. Want it? Links in the description. Links. If you want a bit more creative control without leaving the compact world, the FUJIFILM X-E5 is a killer choice. This is technically a mirrorless camera, but paired with the XF 23mm f2.8 lens, it still stays incredibly compact. FUJIFILM's color science is one of the best out there. Rich tones, gorgeous skin tones, and that dreamy film-like look that FUJIFILM shooters obsess over. The user interface is friendly, the build feels premium, and the autofocus is solid for most everyday shooting. You've also got great JPEG performance right out of the camera, so you can shoot and share without spending hours editing. A lot of photographers tell me this is their go-to walk-around camera because it strikes that perfect balance. Advanced quality without bulk. Check the description for the link to snag this kit. Next up, the Ricoh GR Digital IV, a cult favorite street camera. This one's all about simplicity, speed, and pocketability. The 3.0-inch LED screen and intuitive controls make it super quick to shoot on the fly, and the 16.2 megapixel sensor still delivers crisp, punchy images that punch above its class. People who shoot with the GR series love how unobtrusive it is. It just disappears in your hand and lets you focus on the moment. No flipping screens or deep menus. Just point and capture reality with character. It's amazing for street, travel, and everyday snapshots when you want something non-intimidating but powerful. Want one? Links in the description. Last but not least, for all the travel and adventure shooters out there, the Panasonic LUMIX TZ/ZS99 is a serious contender. This camera is a travel super zoom with a 24 to 720mm equivalent lens. That's 30 times zoom in a compact body. You can shoot everything from wide landscapes in the morning to distant details at sunset without changing lenses. And it doesn't skimp on 4K video and photo quality, so your travel reels and memories come out crisp and vibrant. People rave about how versatile this camera is. One device that handles street candid shots, nature zoom, travel snaps, and video all in one go. It's perfect when you want one camera that does it all on the road. Hit the link in the description to check this one out. And that wraps up our list of the best compact cameras of 2026. From premium pocket shooters to travel zoom champs and mirrorless powerhouses, there's something here for every kind of creator. Don't forget to explore the links in the description to learn more about each, and drop a comment with which camera you're eyeing. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.